All right, it's time to compare. Today we're doing a salmon showdown. We're gonna try the cubed air-fried salmon that everybody's raving about versus the good old traditional cedar plank salmon on the big green egg. Same fish, same seasoning, just two different methods. Hang around and see which one wins. So we're gonna cut this fish in half, and just to make it fun, we're gonna do one skinless and one skin on. We're gonna try a unique way we saw on YouTube to remove the skin. And that's gonna be with boiling water. This is a big fillet, weighs about 3.5 pounds, so it's gonna be very interesting to see how this skin comes off. Boiling water on the skin. Pour gently, and it should lift right off. Here we go. Just peel that skin right off of there. Now let's prep our cedar plank salmon. I've done this dozens, if not hundreds of times. We take our skin on, put it on this cedar plank, and we're going to use a combination of a couple seasonings. I always like to drizzle a little bit of this nature seasoning. It has a lot of different SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of onion powder. So I like to hit it lightly with that. And then we're going to really liberally apply some of this bourbon brown sugar by Grill Mates. Coat this and rub it in. Sweet flavor, it's going to be really good. And on top of that, we're going to even go one extra layer. I like to add brown sugar. We actually use brown sugar substitute. To me, it tastes just like it. And if you're not a sugar fan, you definitely need to try this Truvia. And then we'll work that into the fish. Don't be afraid to press it down in there. It's going to make a fantastic drizzle once that hits that big green egg. Now we'll cube the skinless piece. And this is simply going to get the same treatment, but more surface area. And it's going to go into an air fryer, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And now we're going to put just a little bit of olive oil in here as a binder to get all these nuggets nice and covered. And some brown sugar. Now, the fun part. Get it really coated. We're gonna coat our air fryer, our evenly spaced salmon bites. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And I can't wait to try these. Showtime! Oh yeah, those look really nice. Listen to that sizzle. Green eggs right at 350, so let's get this fancy fish on the grill. Just put the plank right there in the center. And we should be ready to eat in about 15 minutes. We're gonna be looking for some really white caramelization popping up in that side of that fish, and that's when we know it'll be ready. Look at that beauty. Beautiful stuff. Now we know she's ready. Let's take it off and get it plated. All right, party people, it's time to make a decision. Which one shall win? I'm probably thinking this old traditional favorite, but let's remember, it's the same fish, same seasoning. I'm gonna try the cedar plank. Never fails. Juicy. Seasonings are fantastic. But I'm really curious. Look at that. Just falls apart. Look at, can you see that? Wow. Now let's see what it tastes like. It's the same fish, but you'd never know it. It's two totally different methods. This is really good. I've never tried this before. I gotta give the winner to my favorite, because I've made it 100 times and I'll make it 100 times more. But I'm definitely making this again. This was 10 minutes and I could have taken it out at 8. This, by the time you cook it 15 minutes and 15, 20 minutes for the grill, this is half the time, twice the work, and maybe you don't have a grill, a big green egg or a grill. A big green egg or a grill, or a cedar plank. Try them both and let me know which one you like.